Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to test the X96 smart box. In this video we have the normal X96, not the mini one, and here we can see the box is starting now, and now here we have the box start up, ready to continue with all the pages and the apps that are available in this smart box. So as we can see, we have Google Play Store, settings, and other apps. Here in settings, we can see we have network, display, sound, app, storage, and about. If you go to about, you can see all the details for this box. We have the 6.6.1 Android that we are going to test with ANTUTT app, and we are going to test the display resolution and all the function of this smart box. As we can see here, we have all the options from settings, and here we have the memory. We have display, apps, battery, location, account. Here in about media box, we can read about the model, the Android 0.6.0.1, and here we have all the apps that we downloaded. Here we can read about the model, the resolution, total memory, available memory, and all the detail about the X96. Next we have the CPU. We have 64-bit X4 ARM Cortex. We have the megahertz here and all the details about the CPU. Next we have the screen resolution for the display. We have the hertz about the display. Next we have network. We have battery, Android, device, thermal sensors, app, and plenty more pages to see all the details about the X96. In today's video we are not going to show you everything because it's not an unboxing. So we here just to see some of the details before we test the X96. Let's go to the ANTUTT app. And we can see the ANTUTT result that we did earlier. Let's do that again, and here we have the ANTUTT video to test the X96 smart box, and let's see how the X96 does in this test. So now as you can see, the ANTUTT app with this video is testing the display, the CPU, and in the end we can see all the result from this test from ANTUTT. So we have 50% of the task done. Now it's time for the RAM speed. Next is the CPU. So now, as you can see, it's testing the RAM. Now it's testing the CPU. %60. Still testing the CPU. Now he's testing the 2D engine. %70. Still testing the CPU. And now it's testing the YX. Still testing. So as you can see, the ANTUTT app is doing a great job in testing these Android bugs. %82. So this test is gonna take a while, but you have to be patient to see the result for your smart box. And in this case, you can compare your smart box with others, the newer smart box or the oldest smart box, and you can see the difference between them and the 3D RAM, CPU, or anything else. .95, 97% is almost done. 99%, and here we have the result. The ANTUTT test is done. Here we have the 3D result, the UX, CPU, and in the end we have RAM. Here's the screen test. And now we are testing the screen. Color bar test. And then we have multi-touch test. So this was all the tests from the ANTUTT app. As you saw, the X96 is very durable in these tests. it has positive result, and that was really good for the X96. Here we have a 4K video which it tells that the X96, it has very good resolution and it shows all the video very clear in 4K. So guys, this was all from the ANTUTT app, and the result, as you saw, was positive for the X96. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, turn the notification on, and we will continue with these kind of videos. We will compare and we will test all the boxes that we have here.